If SketchUp keeps crashing, freezing, or refusing to open, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes for a SketchUp error crash, step by step, so you can get back to modeling as quickly as possible. We'll cover driver updates, plugin issues, repair installation, GPU settings, memory cleanup, and a quick administrative fix that can solve startup problems fast. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump into it. The first thing you should do is update your graphics drivers. A high-quality, up-to-date graphics card driver is one of the most important parts of keeping SketchUp stable. If your drivers are old, corrupted, or mismatched, SketchUp can crash during startup, while orbiting, or when working with larger models. To do this, go directly to the official NVIDIA or AMD website, depending on your graphics card, and download the latest driver for your system. Install the update, restart your computer, and then test SketchUp again. This one step alone fixes crashes for a lot of users. Next, if SketchUp is still crashing, disable your plugins or extensions. Faulty plugins are one of the most common causes of unexpected SketchUp crashes. Sometimes a single extension can stop the program from opening correctly, especially after an update. To test this, you can temporarily disable your plugins by renaming the plugins folder. On Windows, the path is usually c:\users\username /appdata/username/backslash/roaming/version/SketchUp/plugins. Rename that folder to something like plugins_backup. That way SketchUp won't load the extensions when it starts. Open SketchUp again and see if the crash is gone. If it works, then the problem is most likely one of your extensions, and you can add them back one at a time to find the faulty one. If SketchUp is still not behaving properly, the next fix is to run a repair installation. Sometimes the program files become damaged or incomplete, and that can cause random crashes or startup failures. To repair it, rerun the SketchUp installer for the version you're using. During setup, look for the repair option and let the installer fix any missing or broken files. This is a very simple step, but it can solve a lot of hidden issues without removing your settings or projects. After that, make sure SketchUp is using the high-performance GPU. On some computers, especially laptops, SketchUp may accidentally run on the integrated graphics instead of the dedicated graphics card. That can lead to crashes, lag, or visual errors. If you have an NVIDIA card, open the NVIDIA control panel and set SketchUp to use the high-performance processor. If you're using Windows graphics settings, go into your system graphics preferences, find SketchUp, and assign it to the high performance option there as well. Once you save the change, restart SketchUp and test performance again. Now let's fix another common issue: heavy model memory usage. If SketchUp crashes while you're actively working inside a file, the model itself may be too cluttered. One of the best ways to reduce pressure on the program is to purge unused items. Inside SketchUp, go to Window, then Model Info, then Statistics, and click Purge Unused. This removes unnecessary materials, components, and other leftover data that your model no longer needs. It helps free up memory and can make your file much more stable, especially if you've been importing lots of assets or working on a large scene. Finally, if SketchUp crashes when it starts or gives you permission-related errors, try running it as administrator. Right-click the SketchUp icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it needs to launch properly and can fix startup problems caused by Windows restrictions. If that works, you may want to create a shortcut that always runs SketchUp with admin permissions, especially if the problem keeps coming back. So, to quickly recap, if you're dealing with a SketchUp error crash fix, start by updating your graphics drivers, then disable plugins to check for extension conflicts, repair the installation, set SketchUp to use your high-performance GPU, purge unused items from heavy files, and run the program as administrator if needed. These are the best first steps for solving most crash problems without needing to reinstall everything from scratch. If this video helped you fix SketchUp, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and quick software solutions. And if you want, I can also show you how to fix SketchUp not opening, SketchUp lag, or plugin crashes in another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.